Hi friends, I'm Rabina, and today we're talking about Target, the holy grail of all shopping. If you're like me, you use Target as a space of relaxation and meditation. I love walking up and down the aisles of Target, thinking of buying all the things. And now that Magnolia by Joanna Gaines is there, mind blown. I just love that place. We're not here to talk about home decor today. Today's video is actually about all of the low carb and keto options that Target has to offer. In today's video, we'll be taking a look at some of those low carb keto goodies that I found while shopping at Target. If you haven't already subscribed, go ahead and hit the red button that says subscribe. And if you want to be first to be notified when I post a new video, hit the notification bell. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Hi, I'm Henry. We're at Target and we're going to be searching for THM items and keto items. Let's go.
All the keto goodies that we found will be listed in the description box.
Grass-fed beef. Ooh, that one looks good. Let's see. Carbs, 0. This one's a good one. Applegate. Organic. Nice. And of course, all the meats. Let's check out this organic grass-fed beef. 100% grass-fed beef. Look at that. Zero carbs. This one's good. This is, I don't think this is 100%. It's not grass-fed. It's just ground beef. Got lots of bacon. Oh, here's a good one. This is sugar-free uncured bacon. They have egg bites. Gluten-free. Only 1 gram of sugar. Total carbs. Only 3 grams of carbs in this. And of course, these little handy-dandy snack packs that are nitrate free. That's good. Deli meat. They have lots of deli meat. These are really good. The O Snap. Those are really good for on the go. Okay, over in the yogurt section they have these 2 good yogurts that have only 2 grams of sugar. Oops. Let's look on the back. Only 3 grams of carbs and 2 grams of sugar or THM. These are always good. The 000s. These are sweetened with stevia. And that one too. They're black. Just look for the black label. There are lots of cold brew options. This is a good one because it doesn't have any sweetener in it. And that's a good one too. And that one. And all of these. And not those because those have sugar in them and flavors. But any of the black ones are good. And any of the unsweetened teas. Check these out in the breakfast section. I buy this mix and make the waffles, but look, if you're looking for convenient food, they have these. They have the paleo ones and the keto ones. Only 6 net grams of carbs. If you want convenience, there's your convenience price. Okay, so look what we found. This is the Jimmy Dean casserole bites, basically sausage balls. And if you're not eating clean, I mean, they only have 4 grams of carbs and then 1 dietary fiber, so 3 net grams total on this. This is a convenience thing. Let's see, for a convenience price. these over here. These are great for dipping. Check the back though for the carbs. Like, let's look at the Parmesan ones. I think these are the lowest. Let's see. Carbs 1. This is the cheddar cheese. Carbs 1. Oh, it says on the front. Oh, this is 1 also. Here's another one. Palm crisp. These are 1. And even this one is 1. Those are pretty good. Chip alternative. They have grilled meats. Check the packaging for breading and check the back for hidden sneaky flowers they might have in there. I'm gonna check the back of those. Let's see if they have any. Let's see if they have any keto pizza. Oh, I think I see one. Here, these Quest pizzas. Only 6 net grams of carbs on those.
Yeah, they're really good.
And you don't like those. What about this one? This cauliflower pizza, do you like that?
No.
We got that one time. And look, they have the Quest thin crust ones. Only 5 grams of carbs. There we go. There's some keto ice cream right there. That halo top. Don't see any other ones. Hey, but if you're not keto, Bluebell. Yep.
That's what you should get.
Yeah. Down the condiment section. Any of these, the olives to go, pickles, of course. Watch the back for ingredients. Let's look over here for the sauces. Let's see. Not this one. This one has a lot of sugar in it. Let's see if any of them are sugar free. You see? Oh, let's check this one. The Primal Kitchen. This is organic and it's unsweetened. You look on the back. It has 2 grams of sugar, but that's the natural sugar that's in tomatoes. And then for the carbs, it's only 3 grams per serving. So this one's good. Primal Kitchen. These are all unsweetened right there. So those ones are good. Let's look at the ketchups. Okay, look. Primal Kitchen also has an organic unsweetened ketchup too. Hey, come here. They also make mayo. Let's check the back. Okay, so on this one, we're looking at 0 carbs and 0 added sugars. So this Primal Kitchen mayo with the avocado oil. Okay, so now with the pasta sauce, what you want to look for is no sugar added, like these ones. The Ragu. They make a Ragu Simple with no sugar added. This is what we use. So we made it to the candy section, and they have Lilly's bars for $3.79, and they're sugar free. Salted caramel. Ooh, or salted almond.
Caramel, no. Oh, I love.
Which one should we get? Caramel?
Do you
Okay.
like caramel?
Yeah, I love caramel.
Me too. Caramel.
Caramel. Do you guys say caramel or caramel? Or caramel?
Caramel.
Comment down below which one you say. Alright, now we're in the spice aisle. We're gonna look for the pancake mix. Oh, they do have it. They have these down here they have the keto ones and the paleo ones. These are really good. I like to get these and then make pancakes and waffles at the house, and they freeze really well too. I mean, these RX bars are good. Oh, okay, here we go. The Epic. They have the Epic bars. They're meat, basically beef jerky. Those are good. Okay, let's flip it over. This is 100% beef, and it says it only has 3 net grams of carbs in this one. Let's look at the venison. Venison, it's gluten-free. This has 2 grams of carbs in it. And then they have the chicken one. Let's look at the chicken.
This is
This is the chicken one. 2 net carbs in that one. Oh, I can't put the box back. Okay. Hey, thanks for joining us on our keto hunt at Target. We found a lot of great things that I hope you can find at your store too. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on this video for more keto hunting at other stores. We're gonna enjoy this bar on our way out. Bye.